How to pay Metropcs bill online. So if you're using Metro by T-Mobile and you want the fastest way to pay your bill online, this video will walk you through the process step by step. You don't need to call support or visit a store, everything can be done in a couple of minutes. Alright, so you just open up your browser and go to metrobitmobile.com, and then of course you will need to log in. So if you wish to log in, just go into the website, you press on My Account, and then you log in. And in here, as you can see, you will just need to provide your phone number. If you don't want to log in, you can just press on Pay as a guest. And in here, as you can see, we can just provide our phone number once again, confirm it, pass the captcha, and then press on Next. Also, sometimes you can be asked for a PIN. If you forgot the PIN, you can select Forgot your PIN and follow the reset steps. And then once you're logged in, you can tap or click Pay Now or My Account and then Payments. And on this screen, you'll see your amount due, your due date, and any past due balance. And then you just click on Make a Payment, choose the amount you wish to pay, full or custom. So this is going to be the interface. As you can see, you just enter your payment amount. If you don't have any cards saved, you can just insert them here. As you can see, just add a card, fill in all the info, and then just continue. And in terms of which payment methods Metro supports is debit or credit card, bank account, and gift card. Enter your payment information and then just continue, just like I said. Review your payment summary. If everything looks correct, click Submit Payment. You'll see a confirmation page and receive a receipt by email or text. Don't forget you can also set the autopay function to enable automatic monthly payments. And this is how you pay a Metropcs bill online. If you want more quick tutorials like this one for mobile carriers, let us know, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully this helped you out. I'll see you soon, guys.